Somebody said, maybe it's a throwaway line on a TV show, but being a doc is one of the best things in the world. If everyone could do it, I think they would, because it is fun. The technical term for my specialty is otolaryngology, head and neck surgery. But we've been called ENTs forever and ever, amen. The biggest reason I love it up here in practicing at Fort, people are great. The hospital is second to none. All the equipment that I could possibly want to practice ENT efficiently, and they do it really well. I've got some of the nicest and most hardworking people that I've ever worked with in our office. And they treat people with a smile, they're happy to talk to people anytime. They're always willing to help.
I was having some sinus infections, postnasal drip, coughing, so I went to see Dr. Hofmann. He determined that I had allergies to trees and grasses and molds, which was a lot of different foods. Dr. Hofmann then began my weekly regimen of allergy shots to build up a resistance. I really feel really great, and it's been a big change. Dr. Hoffmann's got a great sense of humor. He's also easy to talk with, and he kept you educated on everything that was going on all through the whole treatment.
I treat my patients mostly by listening to them. I find that they're going to tell me what's wrong 90% of the time. And what I do on exam just kind of confirms what they tell me. And after that, it's a question of telling them what I'm finding and treating it. They got input the entire way. It seems to work better than me telling them what they're going to do. I've had some of these things done to me, so I can tell them my experience of how things went, so that might give them an idea of how theirs will go. I always find that it's a good idea to keep kind of a light, humorous touch to things. Serious when necessary is important, but life is serious enough. Sometimes a little laugh makes things feel a whole lot better. I try to keep that in mind, and I think that definitely helps the anxiety, especially with the kids.
My daughter has always had chronic ear infections and had tubes placed when she was very little. After the tubes fell out, she ended up having holes in her eardrums, and Dr. Hofmann decided that we were going to have a surgery performed to patch those holes. And during the entire surgery, he was keeping us informed. He afterwards stopped by and told us how great she did. Dr. Hofmann's been extremely personable with my children. Every visit, he gives them a high five, and they just love him. We've had exceptional experiences every time we've come to Fort HealthCare. From the doctors, the nurses, the hospital staff, everyone has been great, and we will continue to come.
While I'm off by myself, I really enjoy photography. It's about my only artistic outlet. I've been doing it for a while, and for me, that's an awful lot of fun. I've got a wonderful wife and a son. We enjoy kayaking together. We like to travel. It's beautiful. This is Wisconsin. I mean, there's lakes, there's rivers, there's 4 seasons. What's not to like? It makes me feel like we did something right. We helped somebody feel better, they're getting better, they're doing the things they need to do to stay feeling better. Best feeling in the world. Absolutely best feeling in the world.
Fort HealthCare.
For health.